Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. This is the continuation of our Happy Mail unboxing for my mini Happy Mail birthday challenge, and this comes from Felicia FPHandmade here on YouTube. She had sent not only one but two packages, so thank you so much, Felicia. I am excited to see what you have included. As always, I'll have the information for the giveaway in the description box and our playlist link for the mini mail challenge, so make sure to check it out. All of the entries have been amazing, so let's have a look. Let's start with this one here. Let me just put that aside. It is in gold. Oh my gosh! Oh wow! I thought you put this to good use. Oh, thanks so much, Felicia. I have not found this in my Dollar Tree. If you have seen my DT haul, you know that I was looking for some of these vintage looking stickers, and look how much she included. This is gorgeous. I love it. Oh wow, that is beautiful. This will be great for a topper, for a journal, and look at these tiles. How amazing. Oh wow, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you. We have another one, and let us open this up. She's also decorated the box here. I really like that. Here it is. Oh, how cute. Cute, cute, cute. And it says, "Hello friend," and then let us take that off. That is so adorable. Look at this. Oh, how cute. Oh, what is it? Happy birthday. How adorable is this card? Oh, Felicia, thank you so much. That's the name of her channel, FPHandmade. I love her card making. I'm not quite a card maker, so I'm learning a lot from these channels and my crafty friends. And let's flip it over. Look how cute this is. It looks like, oh, I love this. These are miniature little paper bags, and there are goodies in it. How amazing. That's so cool. I loved how she created a hinge where you could attach your paper bag. Look at that. I love this, and this is one of my favorite paper pads from Jen Hadfield, and she's included some adorable wood veneers. How cute is that? And on the flip side, you're amazing. Another cute miniature bag. That is so cute, with handbags. And what is in here? Oh wow. That is so cool. Hold on, let's show you. It is a mini banner. Hold on, let me make sure I put it down right. Oh, how cute. And it has the letter C. That is adorable. And look how beautiful those birds are. I love it. That is too cute. And some butterflies. How tiny is that paper clip? I love this. You can put a picture here. And oh, there is a pocket. How cool. Hold on. There's something in there, but look how small that paper clip is. Oh, how cute. So we have, I don't want to lose that guy, some of these chipboard. Love that. Vintage look. We have some with a clock and a vintage ruler. How adorable. And that is so cute. This is adorable, Felicia. I love it. I love these paper bags. You have to tell me where you got them, or did you make this? This is so cute. I think she made these. These are just adorable. But check out this cute little mini banner, and I can't say it enough. Everyone's been creating so many different, very unique little mini mail creations, and that is so much fun. So again, if you join this giveaway, if you happen to send me some mini happy mail, I will be messaging you sometime soon towards the end of March. And as soon as I get the mail out, I will email you and let you know if I've sent it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. Again, thank you so much, Felicia, for joining my birthday giveaway. I really love it. Thank you, thank you. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.